Welcome to this course page. Great to see you're interested in this course. My name is Max Schwarzmüller. I'm a freelance web developer and creator of multiple 5-star rated courses here on Udemy. If you have a look at these other courses, you will see that in all these courses you learn how to build applications. This is also what I do as a freelance developer for clients. However, what I also do both for clients as well as my personal projects, I work a lot for many years with AWS, using AWS to host these projects and using the various services AWS offers. Now, over the last years, the usage heavily shifted towards serverless services, which means that with them you can build and host applications without managing any servers, which of course is awesome and offers many advantages. In this course, you'll learn more about serverless computing and what it means, and of course, which services offered by AWS are included or are used when building such serverless applications. You will not only learn which services are involved, but of course how these services work and how you may use them. You will not only learn how to use them, you will use them. In this course, we will build a complete course project including user authentication and a front end, which will also be hosted in a serverless manner, so that after finishing the course, you have very solid fundamentals, you're prepared to build your next serverless applications, and you know where to dive deeper to become a real serverless master. I'd be very happy if you would join me on this journey and if I could welcome you in this course.